parrots. Parrots may look like a little green parrot, but they are not placed like parrots, nor do they share the same temperament. At 5 inches in length, they are also a couple of inches smaller than parakeets. There are several species of parrot, but only 2 are commonly found in the pet trade. The Pacific parrot, Forpus coloristus, and the green-rumped parrot, Forpus passionus, though most of the others are available if you inquire from breeders. The Pacific parrot has become one of the more popular small birds in the country and is the most common of the various parrot species originating in Mexico and Central and South America. These pocket parrots have caught on fast. They have the personality of a large bird and a small bird's body, and are often compared to Amazon parrots, a family of parrots said to be their close cousins. Indeed, they do resemble the Amazons with short, stout bodies and a somewhat blunt tail. The male is green with a blue streak behind the eye and blue on the rump and wing coverts. Females lack the blue coloring and may or may not have a faint blue streak behind their eyes. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more. Thank you for watching.